Right. Metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. What do you mean by effervescence? All of you should remember. Now I am saying effervescence means like a budak sound will come. Have you know it? Formation of gases, bubble sound will come. Do you understanding? While you are boiling something, effervescence means like a bubbles will
hydrogen gas.
Yeah, formation of bubbles. Do you understand, Ra? Formation of bubbles means in the sense of gas will release in the form of bubbles. That is called as effervescence. Do you understand? Please remember. They will produce what? What it will produce? Effervescence means the bubbles will produce. Remember it. Now, the gas evolved, full stop. The gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Extinguishes a burning candle. Please tell me. Extinguishes a burning candle. Right. A balanced chemical equation. Right. A balanced chemical equation. Right. A balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Balanced chemical equation for the reaction. If one of the compound, let me see who will answer first. Only 10 seconds time I will give you. One of the compound formed is, Arvind, are you ready? Nitinath, Yalni, calcium oxide, calcium chloride. That's all. I need answer. One side reactant side, one side product side. Also I said. Please join and tell me fastly. Okay, already said. Very good, Kevin. Answer, please. Balance also I want it. Answer, solution.
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate. Who said?
Sir, calcium carbonate, CHU.
See, understand the question, all of you. Try to understand question. So they are saying that one of the reaction, if one of the compound formed is what? Calcium chloride. Correct?
Calcium chloride.
What is the formula? Calcium chloride. Calcium chloride formula.
CaCl2.
CaCl2.
And they are saying that also it will form. Also it will form what? Extinguisher. Fire.
Carbon dioxide.
Gas. Carbon dioxide gas. How I
Carbon
can
dioxide.
identify? They are saying that which will produce what? A gas evolved is extinguishing a burning candle. Extinguishing a burning candle. So extinguisher. What is extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. Correct or not? Which is reacting with the acid. So acid. What is that acid given, Ra? What is that acid given? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Now, please tell me, metal. What is that? Yeah, calcium. What is that? Metal carbonate plus acid will give you one reaction. Can you able to say general reaction? Metal carbonate.
Calcium carbonate plus HCl.
So if you read the question, they are saying what? Metal compound they are saying. So by understanding these things, effervescence they are forming extinguishers and as well as and also it is reacting calcium chloride. So what is the product? Calcium chloride,
Calcium
carbon
carbonate.
dioxide, and also we'll get one more product. What is that called as?
Water.
Water.
And what is the substance? Calcium
CaCO3.
Calcium
carbonate. What is the state of calcium carbonate? Anybody?
Solid.
Solid state.
Understanding, this is what the metal compound A. So A plus B, which will react, we used to get the products of C plus D plus E. This is what the products. Do you understanding, Ra? So this is only, what is example this one? Metal carbonate reacting with acid. What is the products we used to get? Just now last class I have taught you. What is that? Respect to salt,
Salt
The metal
plus
salt.
carbon
water
dioxide
plus
plus
gas.
water. That is what
Water.
you have to remember it. Please note it down. That is the answer. Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
Clear? Are you clear? Are you understand or not? So if you understand this, then that is the most important one. That is why I am saying you this. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Sir, show the question again, sir. Question alone.
Question. Okay. This is what the question. Effervescence means, remember, bubbles. Gas is releasing. Like in a sense, if you are boiling water, have you noticed it? Budak, 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 sound will come. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, that is called as effervescence. Can I say next question? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next question you write. Next question. Let me see who will answer. Next question, right? A solution reacts with general example. This kind of MCQs 100% will come in our board exam. Still so many absentees are. Why? What is this? I don't know. Please make a call to them. Just say, where is Pranati again? She left from it. Sometimes we'll join, sometimes we'll leave. I don't know what happened. Right. A solution. Just see how to answer this question. Padmavarshini, you also. Prasini, why you are silent? I don't know. At least send in chart. Akshaya, Anusri, everybody is silent. I don't know. Chart, at least you can answer correct. A solution reacts with crushed egg cell. You may remember, by this time you understand. Egg cells contain something I have taught you. What is that?
It's carbon CaSO3.
Calcium
That
carbonate.
is egg cell.
Calcium.
To
Calcium
give,
carbonate.
yeah, to give a gas that turns lime water, to give water that turns lime water into lime water to what? Lime water to milky. Is it yes or no? Lime water to milky. So as we know that, what is the gas?
The calcium oxide.
The solution contains what? The solution contains what? That is what my question. The solution contains what? The gas releases, okay. The solution contains what? Options. Sodium chloride. Options. Hydrogen chloride. Lithium chloride. And option D. Potassium chloride. What it contains? I'll read the question carefully. A solution reacts with crushed egg cells to give a gas that turns lime water to milky. So what?
HCl, sir. Option C, sir.
HCl.
Option
Sir, HCl. HCl.
That is option B.
HCl.
Very good. Option B is the correct answer. So why? Because what is the reason?
It is react with the acid only, it change into milky, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
hydrochloric acid will react with what? This all you can see.
Carbon dioxide.
This is salt.
Carbon dioxide.
Salt. This is also salt. Correct or not? That is you have to remember. So acid reacting with calcium carbonate. What will form? Just now we have studied. What will form? Calcium chloride.
Calcium chloride.
Calcium chloride plus
Plus CO2 plus water.
H2O.
Okay. That is what you have to remember it. Any doubt? Jesse? Jesse, are you there? Not there. Nitish? Clear, Nitish? This is all about this concept. Any doubt? Anybody please ask me. Are you clear, Ra? So if you understand this, then we are going to study the next very important concept. This is what for MCQs. Till now, everybody can answer. All 8 properties, nothing will be there. Everybody can answer very easily. From now onwards, whatever we are studying regarding acids, this is each and everything is regarding MCQs only. So we have to be more and more careful regarding this. And that is what we can say. Sir, you are saying acids, you are saying acid. What does it contains? That is what we want. What does it contains? That is what we want. And that is only they will ask you in exam also MCQs. So the next concept which we are going to study, the most important concept, please all of you note it down. What do all acids have in common? in common. For example, if you take, for example, I will consider Padmavasini, I will consider Kevin, I will consider Dina, I will consider Dileepan, I will consider Alni. What is the common characteristic? What do you all common? You all belongs to class 10.
All
That is,
humans.
that is what the common thing which you have. Correct or not? Yes or no? So everybody, you people are belongs to class 10th, class 10th, class 10th, class 10th, like that. Why I can call only certain substances is called as acids, and that acids, what do all the acids have in common? This is what we
Sir,
have.
hydrogen, sir.
You understand?
Hydrogen common in all acids.
I will say not hydrogen, some other thing, including ion state also have to stay. So why these people are left, I don't know. Tarani, are you understand Tarani? Harini? Now, this is the most important concept. What do all acids have in common? If you consider here, all acids contains, like Nithinathan said, all the acids contains, what it contains? It contains what? Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Now, if you observe, hydrogen is the common thing which contains in all the acids. So the hydrogen present in acids in such that when acid is dissolved in water, it will separate out as a positively charged hydrogen ion. So whenever it is dissolved in water, please remember, whenever this acid is dissolved in water, do you understanding all of you? So every acid contains hydrogen. So if this acid is dissolved in water, then what will happen, Ra? The hydrogen will come separately. It will form separate out as a positively charged hydrogen ion. So what is that positively charged hydrogen ion? How to represent positively charged hydrogen ion? Can you able to say how to represent hydrogen ion? Please tell me. It is represented with what? This is hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is this. Now hydrogen ion means H plus. This is what the H plus ion. What we should call? H plus ion.
Hydrogen positive.
So every acid, when it is dissolved in water, hydrogen is separate out. Hydrogen is separate out as a positively charged ion. That is what we called as H plus ion. Please note it down. Now if you'll observe, and these, it will enter the solution as H plus ions only. And what is the state of this H plus ions? Anybody? What is the state of this H plus ions? Aqueous state. Please all of you remember. Do you understanding all of you? So it will enter the solution as H plus ion. H plus ion. So now we can define an acid. Any acid if you take what on the basis of H plus ions. So what we can say, Ra? Can anybody define what is acid? What do all the acids have in common? All the acids, when they dissolve in water, they will, from that, something is separate out as a positive ion. What is that called?
Hydrogen ions.
Plus ion.
Hydrogen.
Now, that is what the common things all the acids have in common. Now, you please tell me, from this you have to define acid. Can you able to define acid? Now, with the help of hydrogen plus ions, define acid, please. Anybody? Right. I will say it. An acid is a substance. An acid is a substance which dissociates. What do you mean by dissociates, Kevin? Nitinath? Nitish Kumar? Nitish? Dissociates. Dissociates means forming indivisible ions. Do you understand it? Dissociates means what? Forming indivisible ions. Please remember, dissociates are also we can call it as ionizers. What we should call? Ionizers. What do you mean by this? Means in a sense of formation of what?
Forming separate ions.
Ions. Please remember that. Formation of ions. Dissociates are ionizers on dissolving water. On dissolving water means when they are pure state, not only when they are mixed with water. When they are pure state, no formation of ions, only they will dissolve with what? Dissolving in water to produce what they'll produce, Ra? To produce what they'll produce? To produce hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions. Is it clear, all of you? That is representation, hydrogen ions. H plus, note it down. AQ, aqueous state ions. This is what the representation of hydrogen plus ions. Please note it down. Now here two important points I will say. All of you should remember. When acid is in pure state, when only acid is present, acid will never show its characteristics. Do you understanding? Never show characteristics. Do you understanding, all of you? Please tell me. Acids, when only acid is present, pure acid is present, never show its chemical characteristics. Only means in the sense of when it is in liquid state. Now, acid is dissolved in water, means mixing with water. Do you understanding? That is what we should call it as aqueous state. Then only acids will get all the chemical characteristics. Do you understanding, all of you? Very, very important. So, if you want to show the properties of acids, acid must be pure state or aqueous state, liquid state or aqueous state.
Aqueous state, sir.
Chemical properties. That is what you have to remember. Chemical properties. Suppose, for example, if we take pure hydrochloric acid, only liquid state, no formation of ions. What is that? No formation of H plus ions. Do you understanding, all of you? No formation of H plus ions. Now, for example, you can take here. Understanding the aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid. Aqueous solution. What do you mean by aqueous solution? Which is dissolved in water. Understanding? Dissolved in water. That is what you have to remember. Dissolved in water. If you take, then what will happen, Ra? Dissolved in water. It will form H plus ions. Hydrochloric acid turns into, understanding, Ra? H plus ions. Plus also it will come. One more thing. What is that? Hydrogen plus means one more thing. What? Chlorine minus. Do you understand?
Chlorine minus.
Called as acid. So it will dissociate into individual ions. This is only called as ionized or dissociates. Any doubt? Please ask me. Respond me.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Like that, if we'll take, for example, let me take. So here if you'll observe, in the presence of hydrogen ions, so all the acids, they have a common thing. What is that? When they are in aqueous state means dissolved in water, they will form a hydrogen plus ions, plus some another ions will form. Don't bother about it. Hydrogen is always plus in the acid. That is what you have to remember. What is the common thing present in the acids? All the acids, they contains what? H plus
Hydrogen
ions.
ions.
They will dissociate the H plus ions when they mix it with the water. That is what the common thing you have to remember. So, in the presence of hydrogen ions in hydrochloric acid solution, which make it behaves like a what? Behave like a what? Acid. This H plus ions only. This is when it is in dissolved state, it is behaving like a acid. That is what you have to remember it, all of you. Now, here, please all of you note it down. Very, 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 very important. Most of 100 times having a possibility to get MCQ question. Very, very important. So that is called as, here hydrogen ions is forming. Now, one more ion I will say, that is called as hydronium ions. What is that called as? What is that called as? Hydronium ions. Hydronium ions formula is H3O plus. Very, very important MCQ question. Hydronium ions. What is the formula, Kevin? Dileepan?
H3O.
H3O plus hydronium ion. Please remember now. So here if you observe, hydrogen ions do not exist as H plus state. Hydrogen ions will never exist as H plus ions. Do you understanding, all of you? They will be very, very highly reactive. So they will react. They will attack themselves to the water molecules and they will form hydronium ions. Do you understanding, all of you? What is the MCQ here? Always H plus ions, they will never stay alone. So they will attack the polar water molecules, means water molecules they will attack. So you have to write the reaction. So hydrogen ions Whatever ions
Sir,
is having aqueous state. Tell me.
Water plus hydrochloric acid gives this hydronium.
They will form H3O plus. This is what you have to remember. This is only called as hydrogen ion. So here you have to tell me this plus is for oxygen or full ion. Full ion. This is called as full ion or
Full
oxygen.
ion, sir. Full ion, sir.
Polyatomic ion. This is called as polyatomic. What we should call it as polyatomic. Why you should get plus here? You may ask me the question. Hydrogens, how many are there? Hydrogens, how many are there? 3.
3 hydrogens.
You understand? Oxygens, how many are there? Oxygens, how many are there?
1 minus.
Only
1
2.
minus.
Do you understand? So that is why you can see 3 pairs. How it will come? So 3 hydrogen ions and 1 oxygen ion. So 3 minus 2, which is equals to how much? Which is equals to how much?
1.
Correct or
3
not? Plus 1 or plus. You indicating what? That is the symbol. How the charge will come plus. That is what. So hydronium ions is polyatomic ions. So MCQs. Hydrogen plus ions. Hydrogen ions cannot store as a single. When they will form in the dissociation of acid, they will form into individual ions, but they will never stay together. They will never stay alone. They always will react with water. So who is adding water? Already we are dissolving the acid in water. Correct or not? Do you understanding, all of you? Please tell me. That is what you have to remember. Do you understanding, Ra? So always we'll add the water in the acid to dissolve it. With that water molecules only, this hydrogen ions will react and they will form another ions called as what? Hydronium. Please remember, hydronium ions. Any doubt, Ra? Okay.
No, sir.
Whenever you are writing the chemical equation, please all of you remember, whenever you are writing the chemical equation, always you have to write H plus ions. How you have to write? 2 methods you have to write it. What is that? We must write. We always be written as. How we have to write? Hydrogen ions. How you can write? Hydrogen ions must be written as 2 ways. What is that? Written as 2 ways. What is that? As either H plus. What is that? Either you can write H plus or we can write as H3O plus. Like this or like this you have to write in every time. Will you able to write it? Will you remember this? MCQs, very, very important. Understand, Ra? So you have to remember that both are same. I am representing H3O plus or H plus, both are indicating same. Because whenever I will say H plus, do you understanding? H plus, what is the state, Ra? What is the state of that? H plus is equals to, please all H plus plus H2O. Both are equal. That is why whenever I am representing hydrogen ions, either I can represent H plus or H3O plus because both are equal. Please note it down. This is what the equation you have to remember. Very important in your plus 1, plus 2. Any doubt, anybody, you can ask me. Very, very important for MCQs, Ra. H plus, which is equals to what? H plus plus H2O. You can write it. Do you understand, Ra? So we will representing hydrogen ions H plus for our convenience only. For higher classes, you guys will use instead of H plus, you can substitute H3O plus hydronium ions also for our class 10th. For our convenience, because you guys are not much familiar with the chemical equations, correct? So always in our class 10, we'll represent what? Only with the H plus ions. But if we'll go to higher classes, we have to balance even water molecule also. So we will use hydrogen ions, will represent with the hydronium ions. Hydrogen we have to represent with the hydronium ions. In higher classes, we will study that plus 1, plus 2 and all. Now it is not required. Now, let us take a common thing in all these acids. They are produced. What is that? What is a common thing? What is a common thing you have found it?
All the acids produce hydrogen ions.
Present. That is what? Hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions when they dissolved in what? When they dissolved in water. Please remember it. So the presence of hydrogen ions, which gives an acid solutions its acidic properties. Because of this H plus ions only, the acids are getting acidic properties. That is also when they will show acidic properties, when they dissolved in When they dissolved in, when they will
Dissolved in water.
when they dissolved in water. Without that, they won't show that. That is what you have to remember it. Understand? Pure acids are very less reactive. They will react, but they won't show the chemical properties all. That is what you have to remember it. Now, examples. Already I have taught you one example. What is that? Hydrochloric acid reacting with formation of hydrogen plus ions plus chlorine ions. Correct? That is what the first
Yes, sir.
equation we have studied. Hydrochloric acid. What is that? Aqueous state. Aqueous state
Aqueous
is most important. Which will form H plus ions plus chlorine ions. So even our textbook here, they have given you H3O minus, plus. This is also correct. Do you understanding? But our convenience, we are writing H plus only. Is it clear? Okay. Next, second equation, can you able to say, suppose hydrochloric acid is okay. Now, sulfuric acid. Anybody? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. What will come?
H plus and SO4 minus.
Here, how many H are there? 2. So, understand?
2H.
Now SO4. SO4, what is the state? What is the state? Hydrogen plus only. SO4.
Minus.
Minus.
Read, 2 is there.
Minus.
That is why we can say what? 2 minus. Do you understand, Ra? Array. What is that H2SO4? H plus SO4 2 minus, correct? That is why you are combining, we are getting what? H2SO4. Purinjicha? What, Ra? Yes or no? H plus and SO4 2 minus. Clear, Nitinath? Array, this is polyatomic ion, correct, man? Which is having a valency of 2 minus. You forgot it or not?
Sir.
That is what you have to remember.
Added picks also
Yes, sir.
too.
That is next. Nitric acid. Anybody can you able to say nitric acid HNO3? Nitric acid. What will form? H plus
H plus
plus nitric
NO3 minus.
NO3 minus aqueous state. Very good. Next, like for today's class, last example, acetic acid. Acetic acid, what is the formula? Acetic acid, I asked. CH3COOH, aqueous state, which will form, what is that? One is what? Hydrogen plus ions will form. Next, it will form CH3COO. Do you understanding, Ra? CH3COO. This full is called as
Minus. Sir.
very, very important. CH3COO plus hydrogen ions will form. Please note it down. So, this all the acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, etc. They will show acidic character because they dissociate or ionizes into in aqueous solution to produce water. What is that common thing you are observing here everywhere? H plus, correct or not? Hydrogen ions, yes or no? So that is why you can say this all the substances are called as acidic solutions. What we should call, Ra? Acidic solution. Now, here for the today's class, last important concept. For example, if we take glucose, what is the formula of glucose, Ra? Glucose, what is the formula?
C6H12O6.
O6. Like that, if we take alcohol, what is the alcohol formula? Common formula, anybody? Alcohol, C2H5OH. What we should call? C2H5OH. So here if you observe, they also contains hydrogen, correct or not? They also contains what? They also contains what? Hydrogen. But is it they are called as acids? Is it?
No, sir.
No.
Oh, sir.
Dissolved in water. When they dissolved in water, they are not showing. They do not show. Not show. Do you understanding, Ra? Do not show acidic character. Why? Why? Anybody? Even there are
Because hydrogen in liquid state, sir.
no hydrogen ions will never form. Do you understanding? The aqueous solution of glucose and alcohol, they do not show acidic character because their hydrogen does not separate out as a hydrogen ions. That is what you have to remember. The hydrogen which is present here does not separate. Do you understanding, Ra? Does not separate as H plus ions. That is what? That is the reason they are not showing the They are not showing the what? Acidic character. Understanding all of you? So from this I can say, is it all the hydrogen containing substances are acidic in nature? No. Correct or not?
No.
Only the
No, sir.
substances which will dissociates into what? Dissociates into H plus
Hydrogen ions.
H plus
Hydrogen
ions.
ions.
When they dissolved in where? Arvind, when they dissolved in where? Arvind,
Water.
when they dissolved in
Water, sir.
Water.
remember. So even for example, even though they may ask you one MCQ question, the substances which contains hydrogen but they does not show acidic property, what are that? Give an example: glucose, alcohol, and hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. So what is the substances? Two options are correct here. What is that? Alcohol and glucose, both they do not have a acidic because they do not dissociate or ionizes water, means hydrogen plus ions in water to produce hydrogen ions.
Hydrogen ions,
So when they
yes,
pour in water, they won't react with the water, like they will never dissociates in water to produce hydrogen ions. So
Hydrogen ion.
that is why you can say, though all the acids contains hydrogen, but all the hydrogen containing compounds are not acids. That is the statement finally I have to say for today's class. So all the acids contains water. All the acids contains what? Hydrogen. But all the hydrogen containing compounds are not acids. That is what you have to remember. Please write it down. All the acids contains what? Contains Ra? What it contains? Hydrogen. But all the hydrogen containing compounds are not acids. What are not
Acid.
acids. Will you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the most important thing. So if you'll understand that, then next class tomorrow we'll study. I think tomorrow maximum we'll try to finish this acids. Later we'll study the bases. From here onwards, everything is very, very important. So tomorrow we'll study how to show that all the compounds containing hydrogen are not acids. Do you understanding? I am saying this statement. So we have to do activity also. So we have to prove that activity. You may guess it what activity we can do to prove that all the acids contains hydrogen, but all the substances which contain hydrogen are not acids. So we have to prove experimentally also. That experiment we will study in the next class. Later we will show all acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water. So how, sir? Why, sir? I am saying, I already told you, very important. Acids only will show the acidic property when they will dissolve in where? Water. So in the absence of water, in the pure state, acids are in pure state, they will never show their acidic nature. Why? What is the reason? But that is all we'll study in the next class. And last, then tomorrow we'll finish what is strong acids, what is weak acids, and what is the uses of mineral acids in our industries. So that is all we'll study in the tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll end the acid chapter, the acid concept. Later from Monday or next time, we will go with the basis. Is it clear? Any doubt? Anybody? Please ask me till here. If it is okay, then you can leave from the meeting. That's all. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, sir.